Welcome to the best picks. The best Illustory Book Making Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for children to bring their imaginations to life, allowing them to become published authors and illustrators right from their own homes. This kit provides all the essential tools and materials needed to craft a personalized storybook, from writing the narrative to drawing vibrant illustrations, making it a fantastic educational and entertaining activity that fosters literacy and artistic skills in a fun, hands-on experience. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye. Introducing the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a portable art studio designed for young creators. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life, wherever they go. This comprehensive set includes 140 art essentials, featuring washable markers, colored pencils, crayons, and plenty of paper. It's a complete art kit designed for endless creative possibilities. Take your art supplies on the go with this durable and compact tie-dye art case. Its sturdy design ensures it can handle any adventure, making it perfect for travel and active use. From art class to home projects and holiday crafts, these safe and non-toxic supplies are perfect for any creative endeavor. It provides all the essential tools for artistic expression. Explore a spectrum of colors, from bold and bright to soft and subtle. This set empowers kids to create artwork that truly stands out and pops with personality. Everything stays neat and accessible with the case's built-in trays and compartments. This thoughtful design makes it easy for kids to find exactly what they need to start creating. What we like. This art case is packed with a huge variety of supplies for endless creativity. If you are looking for a comprehensive art kit that keeps everything organized and portable, this is a fantastic choice for kids on the go. What people say. In this unique box, there are a ton of supplies that can easily encourage children to do anything artistic. I loved that it held so many items and had a variety from small point markers to big markers to crayons and color pencils. There are so many different color schemes and options whether you'd like to stick to crayons or markers. Guaranteed, the color you want they have. I love that there is a designated place for each item, just so that the child doesn't lose anything. The set comes packed with 140 pieces, 64 crayons, 20 short colored pencils, 40 washable markers, including super tips and pipsqueaks, and 15 large sheets of drawing paper. Everything fits neatly into a sturdy, portable case with snap-fit trays and a strong handle, so supplies stay organized and are easy to grab for travel, playdates, or road trips. The variety is fantastic. There are enough colors and types of drawing tools to keep kids entertained for hours, whether they're doodling, coloring, or working on school projects. The crayons and markers are classic Crayola quality, smooth, vibrant, and easy for little hands to use. Number 4. Lego Secret Boxes 41925 DIY Craft Decorations Kit. Recognize a child's hard work and passion for arts and crafts with this creative DIY kit. It's ideal for kids who love to express themselves through unique designs. This cool kit features an opening book-shaped box with a working lock and storage, plus a small box with a picture frame. You'll also get 2 keys and a handy storage tray with plenty of colorful tiles. The included tiles are perfect for creating one-of-a-kind designs. You can even combine them with tiles from other Lego kits to expand your imagination even further. Any fan of DIY or arts and crafts will adore this imaginative play toy. It makes a great everyday gift or a fun creative reward for boys and girls aged 6 and up. The locking, book-shaped box is the perfect size for tucking away your most precious secrets. It measures over 1.5 inches high, 3 inches wide, and 3.5 inches long. What we like. This set offers a unique way to store treasures with its clever book-shaped design and lock. If you want a creative craft project that doubles as a secret hiding spot, this is perfect for imaginative kids. What people say. It came directly on time and with everything I needed, including pieces to decorate and build, etc. The instructions were pictures for anyone who is too young to read yet. It actually has a key and a lock mechanism, which I thought was cool. The boxes are customizable and easy to build. Number 3. Lego Secret Holder 41924. Looking for a fun and creative activity for kids? Discover the Lego Secret Holder, a unique craft kit that sparks imagination. This kit includes a cool box with 2 secret compartments, perfect for storing treasures. Kids can personalize it with their own designs. They can follow the included pattern ideas or let their creativity run wild with unique designs. The possibilities are endless. Enhance their creations by using tiles from other Lego dot sets. It's a great way to expand their crafting horizons. Ideal for any child who loves DIY and arts and crafts. This imaginative toy makes a fantastic gift for birthdays or as a creative reward. Measuring over 4.5 inches high, this easy-to-build craft kit is the perfect size for keeping secrets safe and adding a personal touch to their room. What we like. This kit provides a fun and functional way to keep secrets safe with its dual compartments. If you are looking for a DIY craft that results in a cool, personalized holder, this is an excellent option for budding designers. What people say. The kit comes with everything needed to create a storybook, including blank pages, markers, and a stencil. The finished book is a good size for children to handle and read. It's a fun and engaging activity that encourages creativity and imagination. Number 2. Lulu Junior Illustory Craft Kit. Introducing the latest version of the award-winning bookmaking kit for children. It's a magical way for your child to bring their imagination to life. Your child can write and illustrate their very own original story. We then transform it into a beautiful, full-color, hardcover book. We proudly showcase your child as the published author on the back cover with our special About the Author feature. You have the flexibility to mail the finished product to us or create their book online together. This newest version offers higher quality binding, more pages, simpler ordering, and faster processing. Plus, kits no longer expire. It's the perfect tool for young storytellers to see their creative dreams become a reality. A keepsake they'll cherish forever. What we like. This kit allows children to bring their own stories to life as a real, published book. If you want to foster a love of reading and writing while giving your child the ultimate creative accomplishment, this is an unparalleled experience. What people say. This gift was perfect for her. Gave her the space to write her own book, words and pictures. The instructions are quite clear and the customer service was so helpful, so she was able to do this all on her own. She wrote and illustrated the entire thing all on her own. Once she was done, we mailed it off for our very own hardbound book. It came quickly and was perfect. Number 1. Makey STEM Pack Classroom Invention Literacy Kit. Ignite your students' imaginations with this hands-on technology learning kit. It offers thousands of possibilities for engineering, computer coding, and invention activities, perfect for ages 8 and up. Getting started is incredibly simple, just plug, clip, and experiment. No complex programming or software installation is required, allowing students to jump into projects immediately. Transform ordinary items into interactive touchpads and circuits. This kit brings engineering and coding concepts to life by connecting them to the world around us. With endless possibilities for creations and experiments, this kit ensures no boredom. If students can imagine it, they can build it, making it a truly unique STEM resource. We believe everyone has the potential to be creative and invent the future. This kit is designed to make invention accessible and fun for all. This kit is the perfect addition to any classroom, offering a unique and fun way to explore technology. It's designed to inspire and engage students in meaningful learning experiences. What we like. This is an incredible tool for exploring technology and coding concepts in a hands-on way. If you are looking for a way to spark interest in STEM and encourage innovative thinking with everyday objects, this kit opens up a world of invention. What people say. The kids have so much fun with this and it allows them to explore more creative projects. Simple and easy to use. Best for grade 4. Lots of exploration for kids and simple intro to coding and switch use. Great STEM activity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.